Listen. Look. Pretty. Anyway, it's so pretty. Okay, anyway. Just wanted to share. It's so pretty. I hope it comes through right on here. Anyway. Kitty, kitty. There's Alex. Which one are you? I can't remember that one's name. And that's Bright Eyes. So, hello. Say hello. Silly cats. Anyway. Enjoy the view. Ignore the airplane. Have a great day, night, evening, wherever it is, wherever you are in the world. I love you. See ya. I thought that was, I forgot to get this there. Anyways, so they done this a long time ago. My niece, her friend, and the girls. So anyway, that's all of them's handprints. So anyways. And a smiley face. Anyway. That bird. Anyway, that's it. Okay, that's it. Anyway, that was more stuff from the basement there. Here's kitties again. Is that you, buddy? Hey there, where's your brother? I say, I've got a twin brother. His name is Alex, too. Named after my boy's best friend there. That's Alex, too, right here. Only way you tell them apart, see, he's got little white on his feet there. But other than that, they're identical. That's Blue, it's Hippie, Gideon, there's Miss Lightning. That's Jace. He won't let me pet him. Look, you can see him there. Can't remember that was there. There's Dog. That's Dog. I don't know. They both kind of look the same. Anyway, I know I got a lot of cats. Anyway. Nisa. Lily's over there. That's Ang. That's Dippy. Dippy Goku, I'm sorry. Anyway. Okay. I didn't get them all, because I can't remember a couple of them names. So, anyways. Oh, and where's the... I see if I get the little bitty one. It runs from me, so it's one Miss Peppers had it hidden. See, there's Willow. See, okay, oh well, that's all.